Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Firstly, there are job openings are available in Deepa Education and Service Trust. They wanted a trained primary school teacher, and there are two vacancies are available to teach in English medium. The qualifications are graduate with DED or DELED or BEd. Fluency and proficiency in English is must. You have to walk in interview on 29 September and between the timings 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. The address is given here. You have to send your resume to the given mail ID provided here. The job openings are available in OTS. The leading IT, ITS and manufacturing company. OT is looking for the below positions. They are for the stores executive and cable assembly executive. Experience with minimum 1 to 2 years in diploma, MEC or ENC in integration, testing and cable assembly is required. For the purchase executive, BCom or diploma is are the qualifications. For the software engineers with net Angular, C, C++, Python, BE, BTech, BCA, MCA, MTech are the qualifications. For the technicians or operators, diploma, MEC or ENC are the qualifications with the experience of minimum 2 to 4 years is required. For the quality inspector, QMS, diploma or BE, MEC or ENC are the qualifications. For the quality lead software or MEC, diploma or MEISCS are the qualifications with the experience of minimum 4 to 6 years in plastic or sheet metal or magnet component inspection. And for the project manager, diploma or BECS or IS and with the experience of minimum 6 to 7 years is required. For the embedded systems, firmware lead with Yocto or Linux and diploma or BE or IS or CS are the qualifications with the experience of minimum 10 to 15 years is required. And for the accountant, experience with minimum 1 to 2 years is required with the qualification of BCom. The address is given here and the phone number is also given here with the mail ID, and the mail ID also provided here. You can check with that. Next, there are job openings are available in FMCG company in Mysore. They are looking for the executive HR and they require urgently an overall HR experience of 3 to 4 years with minimum 1 year experience in recruitment and HR operations is required. The incumbent should be familiar with HR process. Working knowledge of MS Office is essential. Exposure to HR software application will be an added advantage. MBA in HR is preferred. Salary should commensurate with knowledge, exposure and experience is required. And you have to send your resume to the given mail ID provided here on and before 2nd October 2021. Next, there are job openings are available for qualified and experienced science teacher with the qualifications of BSc BEd for higher primary Rainbow Public School. The address is given here and with the phone numbers and mail ID also provided here. You can check with that for the further information. Next, the job openings are available in Shiki Electronics Private Limited and they require data analysis manager and they are expert in MS Office and data analysis and the salary will be based on experience. The qualifications will be BCom, BBM and diploma and the contact number is provided here, that is 80507 80189 or 8494934892. The address is also given here. Next, there are job openings are available in Maruti Enterprises. They are looking for the given positions, given job positions. They are service engineer with the qualifications of PUC or ITE or any degree. For the sales executive, males are eligible for this job role and with any degree and with experience. And for the accountants executive, The qualifications are become tally with GST and with experience. And for the telemarketing, females are required. For the office assistant, PUC. And the address is given here with the mail ID also provided here. And you have to contact them by the phone numbers given here. Next, there are job openings are available in Sri Mahalakshmi Vidya Samstha. They are looking for the teacher post with the qualifications of B and BEd, English or Social Studies English medium. Diploma in Computer Science is required, and the address is given here and with the mobile ID provided here, that is 9801999329. You have to contact them by the phone number given here. Next, there are job openings are available in Astra Girls School. They require teachers for science and other subjects, and the qualifications are BEd and DED. And the address is given here. The contact numbers also given here. For further information, you have to contact them. Next, there are job openings are available in Money Mintra. They are hiring for the team leaders and telecallers. For the team leaders, there are 3 vacancies are available with the experience of 1 to 2 years in loan or credit card sector is required. For the telecallers, there are 50 vacancies are available and with the experience of 1 to 2 years is required, and freshers also eligible in loan or credit card sector. And the languages fluency in English and Kannada are required. None the qualifications are SSLC or PUC or degree is required, and the salary will be based on as per industry standards, and the email ID is given here and contact numbers also given here. You have to contact them for the further information. Next, there are job openings are available in Darla Ceramics. They are hiring for the saleswomen. There are 2 vacancies are available, and the job role will be retail sales. The salary is starting from 35,000, and the candidates have to mail their resume to the given mail ID, and the contact number is 80952215001. And if for the further information, you have to contact them by the phone number. Next, there are job openings are available in Chetna English Medium School. They wanted teachers with the qualifications given here. For the BSc, BEd, PCM, there is 1 vacancy is available, and for the qualifications BSc and BEd, CBZ, and there is 1 vacancy is available, and for the BE, BEd English, there are 2 vacancies are available, and fluency in English is must. Interested engineering graduates can also apply for this job role, and the contact numbers are given here. For further information, we have to contact them by the phone numbers given here. Next, there are job positions are available in SSI at Metagalli. They are required electronics technician with the qualifications of ITI, and the experience will be 3 to 5 years in soldering, assembly and writing control panels. For the electronics engineer, 3 to 5 years experience is required in automation, PLC and AC, DC drivers. And for the storekeeper, 3 to 5 years experience in engineering manufacturing industry is required. The address is given here with the contact numbers and email ID also provided here. For further information, you can contact them by the phone numbers given. Next, there are job openings are available in Anulus English School. They are hiring teachers and BA or MA with PED social major, BCA or diploma in computer science or PG DCA and front office assistant. Qualifications are diploma in secretarial practice or any degree with experience in schools, and for the school coordinator experience in similar capacity, and for the school supervisor experience in similar capacity is required. Those who have applied previously need not to apply, and you have to send your resume to the given mail ID provided here. The address is given here, and the contact numbers are 0821 and 8904037831. You can contact them for further information. Next, there are job openings are available in Indian Civil Services Training Academy. They wanted immediately for the job positions like marketing manager. There is 1 vacancy available, and for the business development officer there are 2 vacancies are available. For the academic counselor, there are 2 vacancies are available. And good communication skills and digital or social media marketing knowledge, preferred 1 year experience is required in relevant field, and salary will be negotiable. And the contact numbers are given here, and the address is also given here. For further information, you can contact them by the phone number given here. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.